Hi, it's Friday.
Hi.
Yes, it's recording.
I realize this.
Are you gonna do your vlog or not?
No.
I can do it.
Just say hello, it's Friday.
Hello, it's Friday.
What's cool about Fridays?
Freaky Friday.
Saturday?
Yeah, but we're just making sure we get a vlog up for Friday.
Oh really? Today's Saturday.
Yeah, but it's your Friday.
But today's Saturday. I already missed my day.
You sound happy about that.
Kind of.
Oh, what happens when I post this?
I don't know. You better do some creative editing.
I don't think I'm going to.
Oh really?
No.
I can just disable the video. I have the password too.
Uh-huh. So this is Friday's vlog, and Richard's not doing his job. So, well, no wonder. You're not one of the flutes. That's why.
You can shut that off.